Hello everyone. Today I have brought you some important topic which is helpful till 10th standard. Here in a easier way I am going to explain you how to add or subtract the two integer and how to multiply the two integer. And these examples whatever I am going to tell you or teach you, they are very important. So stay with me for at least 10 minutes. So here we will start the example. Take -5 plus 3. Here for solving these there are two rules and these rules are very important. So that I am giving you in writing that rules. Same sign. You have to do the addition and put the sign of bigger number. Then second law or rule we can say, opposite sign we have to do subtraction. And put the sign of bigger number. Now see which from these two rules, which rule we are going to apply here? Second rule. Why? Because here we can see the opposite sign. These are the opposite sign. One is minus, one is plus. Means they both are the opposite sign. As the opposite signs are there, we have to do the subtraction. Subtraction 5 minus 3. What will be the 5 minus 3? 2. And put the sign of bigger number. How? Put the sign of bigger number. Which is the bigger number? 3 or 5? 5 is there. So we have to write the minus sign. Now second example we will take. -4 plus 8. Now how you will solve this example? Here also opposite sign is there. -4 plus 8. When -4 plus 8 is there, then we have to do the subtraction. Subtraction again, opposite sign, subtraction. So 8 minus 4 we have to do. We cannot do 4 minus 8. So we have to subtract 4 from 8. 8 minus 4 will be 4. And put the sign of bigger number. Bigger number is 4 or 8. 8 is the bigger number. So we are writing the sign of the bigger number, plus sign. If you are not written, just you can write down 4 also, no problem. Then third example we will take. -10 minus 20. Now observe this example. In this example, both numbers are having the same sign. As the both numbers are having the same sign, what we are going to do? We are subtracting, we are adding the numbers. Means -10 plus 20 is -30. -30 will be the answer. Now next example we are going to take. -8 minus 3 minus 2. Then think about it. What will be the answer? -8 minus 3 will what? 11. Minus 11 minus 2. Minus 13. So we can write the answer -13. In this way we are going to solve the example. One or two more example we will give. We will take 5 minus 15 plus 5. What will be the answer for that? Opposite sign, subtraction. So opposite sign is subtraction we have to do. 15 minus 5 is 10 and put the sign of bigger number. Then sixth example, one more example we will take here. -7 minus 7. So -7 minus 7 here same sign is there. As the same sign is there, we have to do the addition. So same sign, addition. 7 and 7, 14. -14. So this is the answer. You can see it properly now. -7 minus 7 is the answer, 14. So in this way, I have taught you how to do the sum of the two integers. Now we are going to the next one. We are going to do the next topic for some multiplication of the two integers. How we will do the multiplication of the two integers? Here for multiplication also some rules are there that I am going to write down here. Rules I am writing. minus multiplied by minus is the plus. Plus multiplied by minus is the minus. Minus multiplied by plus is the minus, and minus multiplied by plus is the plus. Means plus minus minus, minus plus minus, minus minus plus, and plus into plus plus. Now we are going to take some examples on it. So first example, minus 5 multiplied by minus 5. We know very well 5 5s are 25. So we can write here easily 25, no problem. Then but minus into minus, here we are going to do the multiplication of the two signs. Here as per the rule for the multiplication, minus minus will be plus. So I am writing here multiplication rule. Multiplication rule. Now minus into minus, plus 25. Second example, minus 7 multiplied by 3. This example, how will you solve this example? 7 3s are 21. And now multiplication, here no sign is there. So you have to assume that here plus sign is there. So minus plus minus, here minus plus minus. So as per the rule, answer will be minus 21. Third example, minus 5 multiplied by minus 8. So 8 5s are or 5 8s are, no matter. 5 8s are or 8 5s are 40. Minus minus. See here minus minus, minus minus plus. So we have write plus. If we are written only 40, no matter, answer is the same. Plus sign sometimes we are not writing in the answer. So minus 8 multiplied by minus 2. What will be the answer for that? 8 2s are 16 and minus minus plus 16. It's equal to, we can write down 16. Simple. Then fifth example. 9 minus 9 1 into plus 9 into 1. How will you solve this example? 9 1s are 9 minus 9 multiplied by 9 1s are 9. So we are multiplying these two numbers first, this take next, and multiplication is in between. 9 9s are 81, so minus 81. Are you getting it? Now we are going to do the next type of examples. Now see, suppose like this example is there, then what we will go do? Here, first of all, we will do the multiplication. See, plus and then minus is in the bracket. As it is in the bracket, we have to apply the multiplication rule as per this given. So what is the multiplication rule? Plus into minus. Plus into minus is minus. So we will put these two signs, we are making one sign. We are converting two sign in the one sign and 8. Then our next rule is just like as earlier. How? It is sum of two integers. What is the sum of integer? The rules of the sum of the two integers. Same sign addition. Here same sign is given now. Here somewhat confusion was there, but now the two signs are becoming one sign. So there is no confusion now, because two minus here one sign is there. The next digit also or number also having same sign is there. Both are having the same sign. If same sign is there, we are doing addition. So just you have to do the addition. What is the addition? 13 minus 13. Put the sign of bigger number. Are you understanding? Now next example we will take minus 8. In this way also minus of minus 8 plus of minus 7. How will you do this example? Yes, then minus minus by the multiplication rule. Now here first comes multiplication rule. Minus minus plus 8 and plus minus here plus minus 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 7. So again opposite sign, subtraction. Now this rule we are going to do. We are going to use this rule, opposite sign, subtraction. So subtraction is there and put the sign of bigger number. So 8 minus 7 plus 1. In this way we are going to solve the sum of the two integers and the multiplication of the two integers. So in the next video I am going to give something new to you. So stay with me. Thank you very much.